Atomy HemoHIM's birth behind the scenes. Are you curious? From now on, we will tell you in detail. Atomy HemoHIM was born in Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. A total of 50 billion won was spent on research. Biotechnology researchers participated. Angelica, Snidium, Peony. To discover these three combinations and find the optimal ratio took 8 years. In 2006, it was finally recognized as the #1 raw material that can aid in improving immune function. Atomy HemoHIM was born in this way. After a long period of research, it was created with a taste that's easy for everyone to consume. At first, HemoHIM had a hard time attracting many people. At that time, Atomy appeared and started selling 30 pouches for 70,000 won. And each time the profit increased, the number of pouches increased to 48, 54, and now 60. In addition, the price has been lowered to 1/10 of the original price. Thanks to that, more consumers wanted to purchase Atomy HemoHIM, and now it stands tall as Atomy HemoHIM. What kind of legacy will HemoHIM continue to create in the future? Only for immunity. Atomy HemoHIM.